Aren't these footages great? Oh wait, here's one over the icy mountains and here's one over the volcano. But have you ever wondered how we get these? The answer is drones. Such amazing shots have become pretty common in today's times and are widely used in weddings too. But did you know that this may be one of the booming industries in India? The government has set its eyes on making a global drone hub by 2030. This is an industry we cannot miss. So today, let's look at the Indian drone industry, its prospects, the top Indian companies that make drones, and the prospects of these companies. But before we analyze the industry, let's first understand what drones are and why the world has begun obsessing over them suddenly. What are drones? Drones, also known as the UAVs or unmanned aerial vehicles, are more than just flying cameras. Although they have become trendy only lately, they have been in use for decades now. As with most technological advancements, drones were developed for the military and defense and still find their uses in the sector. Their usage can be traced back to the 50s when the drones were being used by the US Army and in the 1980s when they were successfully used by the Israeli military. Almost 3 decades later, the US and Israel kept a strong hold in the industry, exporting more than 80% of all drones between 1985 and 2014. But first, although drones are still very important for the military applications, they are also used in multiple other industries. Let's take a look at the industries where drones are used. Drones today can be used for shipping, parcel delivery, mapping, infrastructure management, construction, our favorite, event photography, weather forecasting, agricultural use, wildlife monitoring, land surveying, and even for filming movies. The main use of drones comes in the defense sector. As noted from the Russian-Ukraine war, drones have been a differentiating factor used by the Ukrainians to defend their territory. These developments in warfare are something that the Indian Army has taken note of for quite some time now. Earlier in 2022, the Defense Ministry approved a budget of 700 crores for the procurement of swarm drones. The drone industry is expected to grow from $16.24 billion in 2022 and is projected to surge to $90.75 billion by 2030. This gives the industry a CAGR of 24%. This was further accelerated when the Indian government banned the import of drones in February last year and also barred makers of Indian drones from using Chinese parts last month, which will further support a completely indigenous drone industry. Furthermore, earlier in 2022, the Indian government approved a production-linked incentive, the PLI scheme, for drones and drone components with an allocation of 120 crores. Indian contribution to the global drone market stood at 4.25% as of 2021. In addition to this contribution, the Indian drone market will be the fastest growing drone market. Now, let's take a look at the top players in the Indian drone industry. Although India has over 500 companies in the drone industry, here are the top companies that stand out. Paraspace made headlines after listing over 170% gains. When it comes to drones, Paras Aerospace is its drone unit and offers many different varieties, with the most recent being Paras securing a contract for the procurement of 400 units of agricultural drones. If you take a closer look at its financials, the company's revenues have grown from 154 crores in 2019 to rupees 214 crores in 2023. Its net profit for the same period grew from rupees 19 crores to rupees 35 crores in the financial year of 2023. The market capitalization of the company currently stands at a little over 3,000 crores. But before we jump to conclusions, let's take a look at other top drone companies. Another small cap drone stock is Zen Technologies. Founded in 1993, the company is currently working on heavy lift drones. And in addition to this, they are also producing anti-drone systems. This company has a portfolio of over 40 products, with its offices located in India, UAE, and the USA. Zen Technologies has received an order from the Indian Air Force worth 1.6 billion for the supply of CUAS, that is the Counter Unmanned Aircraft Systems. The company is built on strong R&D capabilities and has filed over 125 patents. If you look at the company's financials, they have a market cap of over 6,500 crores. When it comes to revenues and profits, the company has had a bumpy ride, but has managed to increase its revenues from 92 crores to 218 crores and profits from 13 crores to 49 crores. The next company on our list is one of the most recent drone stocks to list on the Indian stock market, Dronacharya. Dronacharya Aaial Innovations is a data-driven company with expertise in drones, satellites, and GIS. They specialize in carrying out drone surveys, data processing, and they also provide training and consultancy services. The company has its own drone manufacturing unit. What sets this company apart is that they are also involved in the education industry, and they also provide drone pilot training and GIS training for making the most out of the drone survey data. This company, however, is one of the smallest in this list, with the market cap of only 434 crores. For the financial year 2023, the company made revenues of 18 crores with a profit of 3 crores. These are some of the companies that have a specific focus on drones as a part of their business operations. Other notable mentions in this industry also includes the likes of Aaial and Ratan India, which have multiple verticals at the same time and are also investing in drones. Let us know what you think of the drones in the comments below. For more such interesting analysis on upcoming industries, like this video and share it with your friends. Until then, follow Bullsmart.